Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Make sure you're on Bedrock Edition and signed into your Microsoft/Xbox Live account. The marketplace requires that authentication. Once done, check that Minecraft is updated to the latest patch because mismatched client versions can block the store. Restart your device and router to clear transient network states. A quick reboot often resolves session issues. Finally, test your internet connection speed and latency to rule out flaky connectivity that can prevent marketplace content from loading. Next, dig into account and network layers. Check your Microsoft account region and family or parental controls. Region mismatches or purchase blocks stop marketplace access. If account settings look fine, clear local DNS cache on PC or console and set primary DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 to avoid ISP DNS issues, then restart the console's network stack. If the problem persists, sign out and relink your Xbox/Microsoft account inside Minecraft, or reinstall the store components to refresh authentication tokens. To finish, isolate whether this is a device or account problem by trying Marketplace on another device using the same account. That narrows your next actions. Make sure to check Xbox Live or Minecraft service status for regional outages that you can't fix locally. If the Marketplace still won't load, gather detailed info, screenshots, exact error messages, timestamps, and contact Microsoft/Mojang support. Provide those logs and replication steps so they can escalate. One key tip: temporary cache or network issues clear within 24 hours, so retry after changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.